What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be not fishing, but we are outside and we're just going to be looking for some fish. See what's out here in this new area. See if we see anything. I remember I caught a bunch of fish down there, but you never know what's there. That was a while ago. It rained today. I don't know why the creek's filled up. Okay, so we got some tadpoles, it looks like. Oh, a bunch of small fish. Looks like a brim, probably. It's a bunch of those. Somebody left their lunch or something. There's a few bass. Oh wow, that's a big fish for this area. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like a decent size. Right there. Let's see if we can get a little closer without him moving. Oh yeah. Right there. They're all over there. I don't know where the big boy went. But I guess they can go under this rock here. There's so many. This water's so clear. Got this little twig here. Oh, there's the big one. It's right there. I don't know if y'all saw him, but he's really big for this area. He must be eating the others. Right there. It was probably really hard to see him. Let's see. What's the deal here? Woods. I was gonna go on this rock because like there's like that, but I don't know if I want to. Well, anyways, that's that side. I guess we'll go check out the other area. There's probably nothing, but here's a nice ride. Wash my feet. Oh, that mud. So let's see. So we know it's a good spot to fish for brim. That was the one really small bass. Or either it was a really, really big brim. So far over here, just tadpoles. There's gotta be something. There's some big, there's a minnow. A few minnows. Catch those for bait or something. Check over here then. Then we'll see on the other side. I would have thought there would be something in that deep water. So it looks like all the big fish make their way down, all the way down there. I mean, there's some big minnows inside. Well, let's check this big little water hole, and then we'll keep going to the next one. There's literally nothing in this hole. Look how much water's in here. And there's nothing but just some little baby minnows. Literally nothing. Oh, there's a crawfish. Man, these dudes are fast. That crawfish was so fast. Let's see if I can see. If I can't see it, I know y'all can't see it. Oh, there he is. Oh, not him. He's like a frog. He's blended in on that rock right there. You see the little specks of gold? That's him. I think we're just gonna go right up here and then we'll head back because this is getting a little sketchy. Yeah, just some minnows. Maybe we'll do a minnow trap or something for an upcoming video. See how many we catch. That would be a fun video. Maybe spend the day down here fishing and catching minnows. Maybe some crawfish or whatever. But yeah, now we're gonna head to the other side. Wow, that's really creepy. There's just a rope and a shirt. Random. But yeah, we're gonna head down here. Spiderweb. And then we're gonna maybe do, I think a fun thing to do would maybe a live stream. With some fishing down here. That'd be kind of fun. So if you want to see that, like and comment. I'll turn the comments on. I know they're off. Everyone's going to say the comments are off. We can't. But I'll turn them on. So let's get in the nice golf cart and head down there and see what's there. So we're driving back up the path and we'll park in the little parking lot since you can't get to the other side from this way. But yeah, I think that would be really fun. Maybe a live stream something. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. I just ran down and you won't believe how many fish are over here. I have no clue if you can see any. Water is so dirty, but there are so many fish. Look how many there are. I mean, that's just a little group. There was like 200 under there, and they were decent size. If you can see now, probably can't see all of them. They're all covered down there. There's a decent one out and about. I'm gonna try to get to this rock. Oh yeah, there's two bass right there. The two that I'm mainly pointing at, those are big. You got all those dudes down there. This is really good. Good population down here. So we know we have at least 3 bass, so that's good. There's a few coming. I want to see if there's any in this area. Fine. So, there's none over here. Need to get through here. Check over here real quick. Then we gotta head back. And if you're wondering, I mainly do my videos on the same day as I post them. So if you're wondering what I did that day, that's what I did. Whoa! Almost fell into the water. We're all good though. And yeah, my cousin, expert fisherman. I hope he sees this video because these are some big fish, and last time we came here they weren't this big. But Anderson, if you're wondering, this is the other side. So, wow. And if you can see that little big giant fish right there, he's really big in person. I'm just really far away and I'm zoomed in, and so it's hard. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Oh, there's all the fishies. They're all going away. They're so fast. So they mainly hang around here. Oh, we forgot to check that side. I only see one. You can't really see over here. I guess this is basically sewage water, but you should be able to see. I mean, I can't see anything but that dead dude over there. He's dead. Well, we're gonna have to get like a fisher, not a fisher, a minnow trap. Get some minnows. Maybe explore the backyard pond that I've never been to, but I know it's there. And then maybe we could bring some of these fish over there. Never know. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe for the new content. And in the next video, I'll show y'all my 4-wheeler that I'm way too big for. And we'll go explore the pond in the backyard that I've never been to. And maybe we will, maybe we'll bring a special guest soon. And maybe, who knows, my cousins will come fishing with me. Because they live 2 hours away. So maybe they'll come. But, that being said, hope y'all like this video. See you next time. I'm fishing with Jack.